Hi, I'm Jazz, and welcome to Daniels Hall. Welcome to Daniels Hall. Before we get started, I would like to provide you with some very important information about living here. Daniels Hall is one of our 2 graduate upper division residence halls, meaning it's reserved for sophomores through seniors and graduate students. Now that we got that out of the way, this is the main lobby of Daniels Hall. Here you can find the mailboxes, the meeting spaces, and the Daniels Hall front desk. This is the front desk of Daniels Hall. They are here to answer any questions you may have about living here and/or campus in general. They offer temporary keys, temporary iCards, and they even have items you can loan out like board games, tools, sports equipment, and moving cards. In the lobby of Daniels Hall, you can find these mailboxes that are primarily used for letter-sized envelopes and small packages. Any larger packages will be processed at the front desk for you to pick up. If you take an aerial view of Daniels Hall, you can see that it is shaped like the letter Z. Because of this unique shape, there are 2 laundry rooms located in Daniels Hall. If you're at the top part of the Z, the laundry room is located on the 1st floor. If you're on the bottom part of the Z, the laundry room is located on the ground floor. Laundry costs are included in your contract, so you don't need to worry about bringing quarters to do your laundry. You can stay in the laundry room to see when your machine is finished, or you can download the Illinois app to monitor the usage and availability of the laundry machines in your building. It is really convenient. There are 3 different room types available for Daniels Hall. There's a double room with a shared bath, and there's also a single room with a shared bath and private baths. Daniels Hall mainly consists of double rooms with a shared bath. Let me show you. Welcome to a double room with a shared bath. Within the room, each resident gets a twin XL bed, chest, rolling printer cart, a chair, and a desk with a study carrel. Each room within Daniels Hall also includes a micro fridge, which is a small microwave, refrigerator, and freezer combo appliance. Each resident also has their own lockable closet. Both of these beds are placed in the low position. From the top of the mattress to the floor is roughly 18 inches. There's no clearance under the bed, but there is an underbed drawer unit for additional storage. Making the space yours can feel a little overwhelming. We are here to help. You can find a giant list of items we recommend you bring or what to leave behind. You can find the link to our ultimate packing checklist and more about furniture dimensions in the description below. The bathroom layout of Daniels Hall varies depending on the room layout. There's a private bathroom and a suite-styled shared bathroom. Each bathroom is cleaned every week by our building service staff when classes are in session, excluding holidays. I have 5 things you should know about being in Daniels Hall. 1. The best way to navigate campus would be by walking, riding a bike, or taking the bus. The main quad is about a 5-minute walk from here, and the north quad, also called the engineering quad, is even closer. 2. The nearest bus stop would be at Green and Gregory or Green and Goodwin. You are also next to the Loomis Laboratory of Physics, down the street from the engineering quad and about 3 blocks away from the main quad. 3. The nearest dining hall would be located at Illinois Street Dining Center, across the street from Daniels Hall. Also located within ISR are our retail dining locations, Infinity and Terabyte. 4. Speaking of dining options, Daniels Hall residents have access to 2 additional meal plans that differ from the ones being offered to the residents of undergraduate residence halls. You have the classic 6-meal plan and the 6 meals with $25 dining dollars. 5. Daniels Hall is open for all residents to live in year-round. There's a 12-month contract that allows the residents to stay on campus from May to May. There is also the typical academic year contract that allows students to stay from August to May. Both contracts allow Daniels Hall residents to stay over fall, winter, and spring break at no additional cost. You can find out more information about Daniels Hall in the link at the description below.
Thank you for joining me on this tour of Daniels Hall, and we hope to see you soon.
Click here to watch another Residence Hall tour video. If you don't, I'll start playing the piano and I'm not very good. I'll do it.